Alright, this is the light colored female. Come here, sweetie, he's grumpy. He's not gonna listen. Jackson. Oh, clumsy. Okay, let's see the puppies. My dogs are too much. This is the darker female. You cannot see it all. Go over there. Hi. There's the light colored female. Hi, sweetheart. The boys are all locked up right now. Oh, they're bouncing. So they're very upset. I apologize, my room is very dark. Hey, babies. Both of the females are pretty spunky. This is the light female. Oh, this is the dark female. Oh, show them your personality. Oh, yes, talk! Tell me all about it. Oh, they're so abused. So abused. Oh. Yes. Okay. Kai, I can't see anything but your big fat head. So abused. Oh, sisters. Oh, don't chew on them. Don't chew on the babies. Don't chew on the babies. Oh, yep. There they go. They're both really sweet. It really, I guess, depends on if you want lighter or darker. Because I do believe this one will be darker in color, more like her parents. And this little girl here is going to be lighter. You can already see the blonde coming in on the top of her head. She's going to be more of the traditional. I think she'll still have a little bit of a black face, but she's going to look more like a saddleback. This one's going to look more like mommy and daddy. And the blondie here. Alright. He has nothing to do with their bloodline. He's just here. He's the surrogate mommy. He loves his babies. They're cute. Kai, it's okay. That hurt you on your feet. It's okay. Why are you so cute? No? Yes, they have to see you so they know who to pick. The boys are oh! And she crashed. Okay. Blondie here. This is the darker female. What are you doing? Oh, she's gonna give cut kisses. Oh, I know it.